Okay, welcome to J&S Commercial Van Sales Limited. This is the Mercedes-Benz long wheelbase high roof 514 Euro 6. It's got the GAH fridge chiller unit fitted with standby. January 2017, 66 reg. It's the Euro 6 engine, 514 twin wheel fridge van. Super condition all round. It's just been a one owner from new. It's been lease vehicle by the Mercedes-Benz. It's done low mileage, just 64,000 miles. All working fine, the fridge, freezer, standby. Van's in super condition. Still under manufacturer's warranty. Nice low mileage. London compliance, with it being the Euro 6 engine. Give you a walk around the vehicle. It's got this side slab door, sliding bulkhead in the back. There's the over seat covers fitted there and over mats. 6-speed gearbox, Bluetooth, cruise control. It's got the side wind cross assist, multi-function steering wheel, Bluetooth stereo. All the booklets with the vehicle. All the manuals there. Fridge unit in the back here. Also sliding bulkhead. This bulkhead slides forward, or you can remove it. It's the twin rear wheels, 514. Tie rails on the side there also. Got your overnight standby there at the top, on the top of the door. Just coming on to 63,000 miles only. Comes with a free JS Vans warranty offer at the screen price. Part exchange we also take, car or van. Same day finance deals can be done on the website if it's finance you're looking for. A fully FCA approved, family run business, been in the trade over 30 years. Over 100 more vehicles on the forecourt at the moment. Anything else you'd like to discuss, drop us an email, give us a call. We're here 7 days a week. Thanks for watching the video.